Hello guys, welcome back to the channel with another drawing tutorial. You are watching Fun Times Art and Animation, and today we're going to learn a very special drawing, how to draw Maa Kali using MS Paint. And this is the 8th episode of Mythical Drawing, and this drawing takes around 3.5 hours. If you missed the previous episode, please check the video description. Video link also available in the I button. If you are new here and interested in art and animation, you must subscribe my channel for more interesting informative art videos because we delivered such interesting content daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button and be a part of our journey, and it is absolutely free of cost. Now enjoy the complete video. See you at the end. If you are enjoying the video, please leave a like. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. We provide such interesting, informative art content daily basis. If you are interested in art, you can subscribe my channel and be a part of our journey. Through this channel, I also provide commission art service. If you want a realistic sketch of yourself or your close ones, you can connect us through the comment, or you can also DM me through the social media link available in the description. If you are new here, you must visit my channel. I am sure you will be enjoy every single video published on this channel. For your smooth experience, I already created various playlists based on the art category. So what are you waiting for? Complete the video and continue the amazing journey with Fun Times Art and Animation. this is the final piece of art. If you like my work, share the video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel for more interesting, informative art tutorials. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. So that's it for today. We will be right back with another interesting, informative art tutorials. Till then, take care. See you soon.